Hello friends, I am Sim and welcome to my YouTube channel Be Artistic with Sim. Today I am going to teach you how to draw a hippopotamus. So let's start. First of all, we'll make a tree-like shape. Like this. Extend it a little. Okay. Now draw the ears. Again make a tree-like shape. Okay. Now complete the face. Draw the teeth. Hands. Now draw the eyes. And our drawing is complete. Now I am taking a grey color sketch pen to highlight the drawing, making just an outline inside to highlight it with grey color sketch pen. So I have highlighted it with the help of grey color sketch pen. Now color the tail with grey color sketch pen. Okay. We color the eyes with black color. So I am using pink crayon here to make a cheek and to color the ears. Okay, now I am using grey color crayon to color our hippopotamus. Okay, so our cute hippo is ready. So friends, if you like my videos, please like, comment and share, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel Be Artistic with Sim. For more such interesting videos, stay tuned to my channel. Till then, keep watching, keep creating. Okay, bye bye, take care.